back to my channel. I hope you guys are all safe out there. And today's video, guys, I'm gonna share with you on how to make my chicken and cheese quesadilla for the merienda of my boys. Just prepare all the ingredients now, and so I can show you guys on how to make it. Okay, so I'll see you later. These are all the ingredients of our cheese and chicken quesadilla. There's a breast chicken, tortillas, onions, cheese, nor cubes, and salt and pepper. Okay guys, so now it's all prepared. I'm gonna start cooking it now. First, we have to boil the chicken breast. We will put salt, and then black pepper, our nor cubes and onions. So guys, all the ingredients are there now. The chicken breast, onions, salt and pepper, and nor cubes. Okay, now it's cooked. Wow, it smells good as well. Look, we will take it out. So here it is. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna strip it into small pieces. We're gonna start putting it into the tortillas. Put cheese first. Okay, after the cheese, we're gonna spread some chicken. Okay, and then we will put another cheese on top of the chicken. We need to put lots of cheese because the boys loves cheese. Alright, and then what we're gonna do is put it all like this. Cheese and chicken inside, and now we're gonna set aside to cook it later. We have to do it again. And then we will put chicken. So there you go. This is lovely. Okay, so there you go. Okay, now look, we have 2 pieces of quesadilla, and now it's hot, so put our chicken and cheese quesadilla. cook it. Alright, so you guys have to watch it because you don't want to burn the under it. So it on the other side. There. Look at the cheese, it's coming out, so meaning it's almost cooked. Okay, so now we're gonna take it out because it's already cooked. Alright, so I'll cut it there and look at that. Look. Okay, this is our second one. We're gonna cut it. Okay. Wow. See that? Look at the cheese. Oh, there, look. There we go. Yes. Okay, so look, the cheese. Yummy. Let's eat, guys. Okay, so merienda is ready. I'm gonna try it first before my boys because they're still in the gym. So normally I use Red Devil hot sauce, but I didn't buy, so Tabasco is fine. I'm gonna try one. Oh, look at that. It's good with hot sauce. Wow.
Wow.
Victor is not here, so only Case is eating it. Yeah. Yeah. I put a lot of cheese because I know you two has you like cheese.
So good, Mom.
He's eating alone. LG loves it also, you know.
I know, but so he was trying to convince him to take it home there to the house. And I was like, I don't know, bro. We're probably gonna finish that easily. They couldn't do boxing on today.
He didn't go gym?
He just did gym. He didn't do boxing.
Why?
Well, he just wanted to gym. But me and LJ boxing.
Oh, okay. That's it for today, and thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you liked the video, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Those who haven't subscribed, please, guys, subscribe. Thank you.